In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a custom banner for Google Classroom in 2025. Whether you're an educator wanting to add a personal touch to your virtual classroom or a student aiming to impress, customizing your Google Classroom banner is a fantastic way to express creativity. First and foremost, you'll need to choose your design tool. There are several options available, each catering to different levels of expertise and features. If you're a beginner, Canva is highly recommended. It offers an intuitive interface and a vast array of free templates designed specifically for Google Classroom banners, making the process much simpler. For those with a bit more experience, you might prefer tools like Figma, Adobe Express, Photoshop, or Microsoft Designer. Each of these platforms offers unique features that might suit your designing style better. Once you've selected your tool, the next essential step is setting the correct dimensions for your banner. The ideal size for a Google Classroom banner is 1600 by 400 pixels. It's important to note that Google Classroom might crop the image, particularly on mobile devices, to ensure that all important details such as text and essential design elements are visible. It's advisable to keep them within a centered, safe zone of 1200 by 300 pixels. Now that we have the dimensions set, it's time to dive into the design process. Let your creativity flow here. Consider incorporating elements that resonate with your class themes or personal interests. Color palettes, fonts, and even small graphics can make a significant impact on the overall aesthetic of your banner. Remember, this is a chance for you to create something visually appealing and personal. After you've put the finishing touches on your design, it's time to export your creation. Satisfied with your banner? Go ahead and click the download option. It's best to choose either the PNG or JPG format for optimal quality. Don't forget to check that the resolution is set to 300 dpi, ensuring your banner is clear and sharp when uploaded. Finally, we arrive at the exciting moment of uploading your masterpiece to Google Classroom. Head over to Google Classroom and select the class for which you want to upload the banner. Click on the Customize option and select Upload Photo. Here you can adjust the cropping if necessary to ensure everything fits perfectly within the Classroom page. Once you're happy, click Save and voila. Your custom banner is now live, adding a vibrant touch to your digital classroom environment. With these steps, you've successfully designed and uploaded a personalized banner for your Google Classroom. By following this guide, you can effectively enhance the visual appeal of your classroom, creating a welcoming and engaging online space for learning. Enjoy customizing and let your creativity shine.